Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. For the Honorable English lecturer, Sarweli Ardiansya, in this video I would like to present about how to write an essay. But before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. I am Sakinah Putri. I am from 3AH class and I am an active student of third semester in the Sriwijaya State Polytechnic of Accounting major. And let's get started. So, essay consists of four parts: the first, introduction; the second, thesis statement; the third, body; and the fourth, conclusion. In this video, I just focus with the introduction part. The reader will start your thesis from the introduction, and he will make up his view and understanding of the problem, your ideas, professionalism, and writing skills based on the introduction. Your introduction is an important section that must be perfect. The introduction is the first chapter of your thesis or dissertation and appears right after the table of the contents. Main purposes of the introduction are to introduce the topic, to win the reader's interest, to demonstrate awareness of your topics as well as the relevance of the research question. The introduction should include topic and context, focus and scope, relevance and importance, questions and objectives, overview of the structure, and I will explain it one by one. Context and topic. Start with the topic introduction and provide readers with a short background. Show why the chosen subject is important to make the audience interested. It means you should select the relevant topic for discussion. Importance and relevance. Try to explain your motivation for this research. Provide an overview of the current state of your study and don't forget to cite sources. You will make more detailed view of all of your sources in the literature view section of your manuscripts. Show the importance of your research and how it helps to solve a particular problem. Scope and focus. Here you have to define the scope of your dissertation and focus your research. For example, you can mention the area of your investigation, the time period of your research, the communities you're researching, or any other specific aspect of your dissertation. Objectives and questions. Pay a lot of attention to this part because here you set up the expectations of the rest of your work. Please focus on the main goal of your research to formulate your objectives and questions. Here you can provide the methods you use in your papers to answer these questions. You can write about in detail it in the methodology part. You can also include your hypothesis here. It's possible to include the hypothesis after the literature review. Structure overview. Your document must be a good structure to guide the reader through. Make an overview of the structure. Write just one or two sentences to describe the content of each part your thesis. If the research is complicated, you can write paragraph for each part to explain the document structure. Writing a thesis introduction steps. 1. Introduce the topic of your research problem. 2. Give some general background information. 3. Make a short overview of the related literature you have studied. 4. Give the general idea of the scope of the topic you've chosen. 5. Describe in details the current situation concerning the problem. 6. Find the area or piece of the topic which is not researched yet or researched not enough. 7. Explain the relevance importance of the research you are going to do. 8. State the main aims and objective of your thesis. 9. Name the research question or problems. 10. Give your hypothesis. 11. Show the structure of your thesis research. And 12. Outline the methodology you use. Tips how to write an engaging thesis introduction. In the beginning, give your readers an understanding of how you are going to structure your thesis. Surprise the readers a little. Always talk about the best experience in the field. Don't use specific vocabulary in the beginning. Don't neglect to draft, use the simple present tense to state the topic or subject. Don't include a lot of citation. I think that's all from me. I hope you all understand about this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.